99 Sierra, Suburban, pickup, whatever, 4L80E. Neutral safety bypass. Now we're doing the old Frankenburban here. We're putting a new engine in it, 454. We saved the harness and the ECM and the fuse box and all that shit because Frankenburban's a 99 on a 77 frame. And you're going to need to bypass. It's stick shift, so you have to bypass the automatic transmission. So on the transmission, the big plug, it looks like this. So you got 4 pins at the top and then 2 separated pins at the bottom, and you need to jump the 2 pins on the bottom, and that will allow your starter engagement. So we have it up here because we're not going to use it. We're going to trim up some shit and then stuff it back down there, but on yours obviously it'll be underneath.